welcome back. I'm really excited to bring you this evening comfort makeup look. When I think of evening comfort, I think of a cup of coffee, I think a glass of red wine, I think an espresso martini, I think espresso beans, I think chocolate, I think anything that just makes you feel warm and cozy. I'm gonna bring a look that enhances all of those evening vibes with eyeshadow and face makeup from IL MAKIAGE. This look could not begin without primer, so I'm going in with the IL MAKIAGE No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. I love the consistency of this primer because it is so smoothing on the face, and when it says poreless, they're not lying. This formula conceals all of your pores and really just gives your foundation a smooth base to grip to. I always like to press in my primer. I just find that it really smooths the face out a little bit better, and it's going to help really just fill in those pores. I usually go in with concealer first, but I'm feeling a little fun, so I'm gonna switch it up, and I'm going to start with the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. I am in the shade 060. I love this foundation, and I got matched perfectly all because I took the easy power match quiz. So simple to take, and it literally matches you exactly to your perfect tone. So you just answer a couple of questions, and from there, watch the magic happen. I just dipped my 100 blending foundation brush into my hand, and I'm going to apply my foundation that way. Do you see how it's literally covering all my redness, but it's still blending in seamlessly? This foundation is super lightweight, and I love it because it does give you the coverage you're looking for, but it's still very breathable, and it's also buildable. So if you are looking for a little bit lighter coverage, go a little bit lighter on your hands, but if you're looking for medium to full, you can always layer it up. So easy to blend, and now we're gonna really tie it all in with the concealer. This is the Flawless Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer, and I'm in the shade 3.5. Not only was it matched to my skin tone because of the Power Match quiz, so you know they got it spot on, but it also really just blends in so well and makes all of my redness or dark circles disappear. You can blend this in with your fingers, but I'm going in with my concealer brush. This is the 140 brush. So this is really just gonna give me enhanced precision, and it's going to ensure that every little nook and cranny that I want concealed is getting concealed. I feel like switching things up a bit, so we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the IL MAKIAGE Color Boss Squad palette. This is the multi-dimensional eye color quad in Workaholic. Look at these shades. They are stunning for the fall time, but are transitional, meaning you can use them every single season. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this amber bronze color. This is no bullshit. And we're just going to apply this to my crease and just start warming it up a bit. By adding a little bit of brown to the crease, not only does it warm up your eye, but it gives your darker tones a base to build on. I'm so excited about this single eyeshadow color. This is a limited edition 952 Color Boss. A little tip, I'm going to wet a eyeshadow brush with the IL MAKIAGE Hydrating Setting Spray. This is really just going to make that eyeshadow pop. My goal here is to pack on the color. So you do that by just pressing onto the eyelid. Now to deepen up the crease area, I'm going to go in with Back Off, which is a really nice dusty brown, and I'm going to really focus this on the outer crease. So now we just repeat the process. I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go ahead and use Carry On in the center of my lid. A wing is calling my name with this look, so I'm gonna use the Black Hard Waterproof Liquid Liner to do just that. No one said wings were gonna be easy, but they did say they would be worth it. So if you didn't get it right on the first try, just grab a little Q-tip and clean it up. This is gonna help get rid of any excess shadow that you're not wanting on your eyes as well. Everything looks better with mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and use two. I'm using the Black Hard Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara for length. And then I'm gonna use the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara for volume. Now the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and apply bronzer. This is the Waka Waka Mineral Baked Bronzer. I'm gonna apply this to my cheekbones and anywhere that I want contoured. Don't forget your neck. And now to top that, we're gonna use the Lady Marmalade Mineral Baked Blush. I love this color. I think it is so universally flattering. And because it's a mineral blush, it blends so well. I packed everything onto the 124 Tulip powder brush, and you can go ahead and tap off any excess. We're gonna hit the apples of our cheeks. This look is asking for a highlight, so we are going to use the Halo Mineral Baked Highlighter as well, and just hit the tops of our cheekbones. And now we finish with lips. This is the IL MAKIAGE Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Met Gala. Lips just complete the look, you know? We're gonna set everything with the hydrating setting spray. And this is the completed look. So a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to use a little bit of bluish and purple tones for fall. I hope you guys enjoy, but remember, keep in mind, you can mix and match all of these different colors depending on your eye shade, your skin tone, and really just get that perfect eye look for you. Don't forget to take the Power Match quiz to see which foundation and concealer would fit your skin tone. And until my next video, I'll see you guys then. Happy fall.